Welcome, I'm XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find a toggle somewhere in here. Now it looks like it's not actually here, so we can add it, I believe, by tapping on this square right here with the pen. And from here, let's see, it looks like we actually have it. Oh, there we go, that's how I extend it. I wasn't really sure how I can extend it. So as you can see, there it is, so the DND. Tap on it, and this will simply enable it. Now you can also hold it, and this will take you then to the settings. So from here, just tap on the DND. Now I disabled it by mistake, so that's why I enabled it right now. When it's selected, that means that it is enabled, as you can see by the moon icon right here. And when it's selected, it gives you more options, as you can see right here, compared to when it's off. So from here, we have things like allow incoming calls from anyone, contacts, favorite contacts, or no one. Then we have a nifty little option right here, notify about repeated callers. So even though right now it's set to none, so in theory no one should be able to reach me or give me any kind of indication that they're even trying to reach me. With this being enabled, if they are basically persistent and call me twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around I'll be notified that specific person is trying to get a hold of me. Now this option is good for emergencies. Usually people will spam call, so they should most likely fit in the 15-minute period, and this way you'll be actually notified that someone is trying to get a hold of you, probably in an urgent situation. Then you have restrict floating notification. So when you're looking at the device, we'll just restrict the banners and they won't be showing up. And then we have also a schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode, so we can go into here, tap on add one, and from here select a name if you want to. It doesn't really matter. Then we have days of the week, so by default it's to every day, but we can change it to either weekends, weeknights, and custom, which will allow us to actually select each individual day that we want it to work in. So from here, if you don't want certain days, simply deselect them like so and tap on OK. And now it will be turning on from Monday till Thursday, and then choose a start time and end time. So let's just make it something like a morning, go 7 till let's go till 4. There we go. And then silent mode, DND. So in silent, everything will be silent. In DND, we actually have a little bit customization because that is what we were changing right at the start. So I would keep it at DND. And from there, once everything is set, simply tap on the check mark. Now I'm gonna do one more thing. Disable it. So now if we tap on check mark, it becomes enabled, but I believe it didn't actually apply to it right now. So when the time reaches, it's already past that time, that's why I didn't enable. So when the time reaches 7 in the morning again, Do Not Disturb mode will turn on automatically, and then at 4 p.m. it will automatically turn off again, and it will be repeating 4 days in a row, so Monday till Thursday. So that is the automatic one. But again, you can still enable it at any time you want it by simply tapping on it, and by enabling it, it will take the settings that we have customized right over here. So yeah. Now that being said, this will conclude the guide on the Do Not Disturb mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.